Hello everybody! Our grab and go craft for this week is a hedgehog Valentine. So, for this craft, you will pick up some googly eyes, or if you have them at home, you can use those. And you'll also get a poof for the hedgehog's nose and a template. So you'll be cutting out hearts to make a 3D heart, and the body and all the head and the arms for your hedgehog. So first step is to cut everything out. And after you do that, I've cut out the head and the body here. So you'll need your scissors and cut out all of the pieces. Then you'll need some crayons or markers, and you can color your hedgehog whatever color you'd like, and color that big oval any color. I'm going to do this one red. So go ahead and color both sides, and then after you're finished with that, take your glue and the smaller body, the smaller oval, and glue it on that big oval. So there, I'm gluing it on in the middle, and take the heart head and go ahead and glue that on right on top. So now you have your hedgehog body. Now, if you want spines on your hedgehog, you'll have to cut them out. So you'll be cutting triangles around the whole oval. So this might take a little while. Take your time and then cut all the way around. So you're going to have spikes. And it will end up looking like this. So after you cut out the spikes, all the spines on the hedgehog, then you will create your heart. So you can do this two ways. You can do a 3D heart, or you can just go ahead and write anything you want on the heart and glue it in the center of your hedgehog. I'm going to show you how to make the 3D heart. So first step is to glue one heart right in the center. So I'm gluing it right in the center of my hedgehog. And then you'll fold all the other hearts in half. And after you fold them in half, you can put glue on that folded part and glue just the middle of them to the one behind it. So I'm going to use the glue to put it on the middle part, and then glue in the middle. So that makes a 3D heart. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll use the stuck on you part, but you can make your own message. Maybe you want to say Happy Valentine's Day to a special friend or your parents, and you can write on there and then glue that on the very top. And at the end, go ahead and glue it all to your hedgehog. Okay, take your arms that you've cut out and you can place them on your hedgehog. So it's kind of like it's holding the card. So I'm going to glue my hands on. And then glue that 3D heart on. And then you also will have your legs, your paws. And I'm going to put them on the bottom. So go ahead and glue your paws on. And you can make little toes on there like that. Can you see? There you go. Oh. And it will end up looking like this. So now you can put your googly eyes on, glue those on, and your poof for the nose, right on the end of the heart. And after all that, you'll have your Hedgehog Valentine to give to someone special. Have fun, and you can show your hedgehogs if you'd like on our Instagram page, hashtag San Anselmo Library. And I'd love to see all the Valentines that you created. Okay, bye.